How to view your Moneyline card easily. Alright, let's dive straight in. Today we are covering how you can easily view your Moneyline card. It's a breeze, so let's walk through it together. First, make sure you have downloaded the Moneyline app on your smartphone and have it all set up with your account logged in. Got it? Great. Next step. Open the app and make sure that you have already logged into your account. Now we are in the dashboard. What you have to do is simply find the Roll Money section, which you will find in the central bank icon over here. Tap on it. Then on your screen you will see an option for the Roll Money banking. Tap on it. So I haven't got my Roll Money account. However, if you have yours, you should see your account details over here. Now here's the crucial part. Look for the digital card, which is what we are here for. So to spot an icon or a tab label something like a view card or similar, give it a tap. You might need to verify your identity. This could mean entering your password using the Face ID or quick fingertip scan. Just a little security nudge to keep everything safe and sound. Once that's done, voila, you will see Moneyline card details on the display, where you can check out your money card number, expiration date, and possibly other options, all within a secure environment. And that's it, quick and simple. You have got access to your Moneyline card right at your fingertips wherever you need. Go ahead and explore its features further and see how it can work better for you. Remember, always keep your details secure and never share them wisely. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.